everybody. Just finished up the morning routine, and in today's video, we're gonna be checking out the Kimberley's rock monitors, so stick around. All right, so I brought my monitor's temporary enclosure into the bathtub because these guys have escaped on me twice already, and it stresses me out. So hopefully this actually goes pretty well. I had to take a lot of the things out of their enclosure already that they use to climb because they're heavy bricks that I use for this glass enclosure that all need cleaning. They have like a bird poop almost type consistency that they just decide to litter wherever they like. And let's open this up. So there's their hide. This is actually a live succulent right here, and then I have a moist hide box right here that I could probably reconstruct a little bit better. And then there's another live succulent, and I have to change their water every day because they're so active and they get so much dirt in there, so that's gonna get done. And just give everything a nice wipe up, and then hopefully I can handle these guys as well. So let's get some footage going. These guys are really skittish, so we'll have to see how this goes. Just kind of want to get everything out of here. Dang, there's a lot of feeders in here. These guys don't seem to eat as much as the research has been telling me that they do. I could probably take a lot of these out. There they are. It's okay. It's okay. You see how they don't want to bite me? It's okay. It's okay, buddy. Hey. 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 I like you. Come back. Come back. They're so crazy. They do not like being handled. Should I try to move this or leave it?
I think it's in a good spot, actually.
Yeah, all this is in a decent good spot. That one's like hiding. Come on. Come on, Nugget. This one's a different one. These guys are crazy. Well, despite me having a blast and these guys are being super awesome, I need to take what I can get in little pieces because I don't want to stress these guys out. And with monitors, you gotta take it slow to build that relationship. So I'm gonna put their enclosure back together, and then we'll see how it looks when I'm done. All right, everybody. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I definitely had a great time, and in the future, you're gonna be seeing some more of those monitors. But the next time you see me, the Borneo's getting an upgrade, so stay tuned for that.